Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing NabNab from Garten of Banban. Let's get started with the center of the mouth. Let's do a big wide open mouth right in the middle. Start off with a big oval, like so. And you want to leave a little bit of room in the middle, and this is going to be where our tongue goes. Let's start off with top of the tongue. Let's add another hump. And for this tongue, we're gonna make it pretty big. So let's go down, loop out, and connect. And NabNab has a bunch of teeth. So let's add in as many teeth as we could fit in this mouth. One by one. So 1, 2, 3 at the top. Let's just go from either side, going up, one at a time until we fill the whole mouth in with these razor sharp teeth. Once we're done with the mouth, we need the eyes. So we're just gonna give him 3 cute eyes. 1, 2, 3, and we just need little black dots for the eyes. Once you're done with that, let's add in the body. The body is going to be a fairly simple body. We're just going to go for a dome shape, like so. And then we need the 2 arms on either side. Go up and down, up and down, and then go back up and down. It's going to be the 2 arms. Then we need legs, so we're going to go on either side, down. Let's draw in the legs. The legs are going to be a little smaller, like so. And go back up towards the middle of the body. And this is going to be pretty much it for NabNab. And let's see what we could do. We could add in the little party hat right here, like so. And draw in some lines for the color. Good, thicken up just some lines. And that's all looking good. And before we move to color, let's add in some really dark black shadows where the teeth are, just to enhance them just a little bit more. So just going in and coloring in between the teeth to add a deeper black shadow. I'm just adding a little bit of lines for mouth detail, like so. Now let's add some color real quick. Since NabNab is mainly a blue character, we have a variety of blue markers to try out. Let's start off with the lightest one for our base. Yeah, this is gonna work great. This is a good base blue. Let's layer a darker blue for the shadows. And we just need a simple gray for the hat, like so. And there you have it, NabNab from Garten of Banban. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.